It's October and fireworks going off at the golf course here at Turtle Bay. Somebody shooting off fireworks. Look at that. It's only October. Happy New Year. Somebody going for it, man. Fireworks in ending of October. What next, huh? Right through the coconut trees. I'm right in the guard station here at Turtle Bay Estate East. And people are shooting off fireworks at the Turtle Bay Golf Course. Must be some kind of shindig out there. Happy New Year! Better early than never. Oh, it's still going on. Must be some kind of shallow celebration nobody knew about. Yeah, illegal fireworks back in Hawaii. Just the start of another New Year's. Yeah, they're here. You know what this means, right? You see fireworks up in the sky this early before New Year's. We're open for business. Ah, this is more long than the kind Turtle Bay 4th of July fireworks. Happy New Year! Cannot see them, but I can hear them. Yeah, it must be the low ones here. And more high ones now. The grand finale going off right now, look like. Better than 4th of July? Turtle Bay should hold is illegal, guys. Put a better show than the legal guys. Cannot see them, but there we go. Boy, they got some boomers over there, man, banging. That light is in the way, yeah? Killing us movie. A lot of fireworks. Better than the 4th of July at Turtle Bay. Oh, I'm getting so old in my camera on so long. Can't see them, but I can still hear them. Yeah, one more. Another one. Now watch, I'm gonna get phone calls. Fireworks, fireworks. Yeah, out of my jurisdiction. Way out of my jurisdiction. Just enjoy the fireworks, folks. Yeah. Call me if you got dessert. Yeehaw! Still going off out there, man. I don't know what's the occasion. Couldn't be Halloween. Still going off. Oh. Can hear them, but can't see them. The lower ones going off. There we go. They still blowing them, man. Wow, wow. What's up, man? Early New Year's Eve. As a grand finale, I think. I could be wrong. I thought he was it earlier. Okay. Boy, that's a lot of fireworks, man. For no special occasion too. None that we know of. That's the grand finale going off right now, ladies and gentlemen. Check it out in October. Alrighty. That looks like that's it. Oh. This is Scoop Jr. live here at Queen Lima East State, right out of the guard shack. Aloha.